Good afternoon, everyone. My topic of presentation is Ansible. So these are the contents in slides. So first of all, introduction. An Ansible is a DevOps open source automation tool used to automate application deployment, configuration management, cloud provisioning, intra-service orchestration, and service management. Means Ansible it is an automation tool which is used for automate everything used in the IT industry. To describe automation jobs or plays, Ansible uses playbooks. Means to what we have to perform in automation, which uh, this is described using playbook. How it how it works. So Ansible works on the method of client server configuration. Means there is one server and other are the clients. Then the master node is also called as the controller node, and the client machine is also called as the worker node. Means this is the master node and which controls all the workers connected to this master. Through master node, small programs called as Ansible modules pushed on a connected nodes. Means the small programs which are known as the playbooks or the Ansible modules are pushed on the worker nodes using the SSH protocol. List list of all connected hosts in an inventory. Means in an inventory file, the list of all connected node means the IP address or the host number is provided by using certain grouping. And this is the architecture of Ansible. Means it means when we install Ansible, we can create there one inventory file. Then all the modules are stored, all the APIs and all the plugins are stored at the center. And user will create different modules and as per the requirement and store it on public cloud. And after when we have to execute that model, we will push that model on a certain hosts or in a network. Then Ansible Playbook. Ansible uses Playbook to describe the automation jobs. Playbooks uses very simple language called as YAML language. It is a human readable data serialization language. And in the background of YAML file, Python script is running. Playbooks are structured using plays. YAML is a very strict type of language in a case of indentation. This is because in background the Python is running. The YAML is very strict language in case of indentation. This is a small structure of a playbook. Platform supported for the work for controller node. It support any any open source Linux, which is a SUSE Linux or any enterprise Linux, RHEL and the Debian, CentOS, Mac OS. And for the worker node, it supports any kind of OS such as Linux, Unix, Mac OS, and Windows also. It can also deploy on a bare metal hosted visualized system and also cloud environment including public and private cloud. Means this Ansible can also we can deploy also on a bare metal or in a public clouds or private clouds such as AWS, Google Cloud. So application of Ansible, version control and the configuration of the management. Means we are deploying any software or any app, then at that time we have to control the version of that software. So for version control, we can use Ansible to find bugs. Means if we have to find certain bugs in our server, then if we run the playbook and if and in playbook we have there certain debug module. Means it will debug all the bugs in our server. To deploy, the deployment are faster and the continuous. Using Ansible, all the server is automated so that the deployment of application is faster. And network automation means in a network there are certain if there are certain thousands of computer, we can automate that computer in a few seconds using the Ansible. Conclusions. CNCs provide excellent automated infrastructure configuration capabilities and at the same time has minimum requirement compared to the comp- competition, so that the user does not have to write anything but the playbook script in advance, but no further manual work is required. So all the work we have to do manually in a network. This Ansible automate all the things. References. uh, References, the Ansible doc provided. Ansible is open source technology, the docs are provided by Ansible. Then these are the docs provided by Red Hat. There is another version of Ansible which is enterprise version, and these are also the same documentation.